It's the Super Bowl, and I'm Jill Chodak. I'm a registered dietitian, but I'm also a big Bills fan, and I love making Super Bowl stuff, but game day stuff as well. And my Bills are not in the Super Bowl this year. Next year's our year. So I thought I would pay homage to them by making a really fun play on one of my favorite football snacks. So normally I'm a chicken wing dip gal. I have a recipe that I've posted before. And I was inspired by one that I saw online of Tater Tot cups. So we're gonna do Tater Tot cups filled with chicken wing dip. And I love this because chicken wing dip, can get messy. I'm staining my shirt, I got a dip, all the things. This is my way of saying, hey, handheld. And also in Buffalo, when I was in high school, when Usher was on the charts, I would always get fries with wing sauce. That's a thing that we do in West Seneca, where I'm from. And I thought this kind of would merge the worlds. A little potato action, little wings, and it'll make me feel like home. I hope you enjoy. So the first thing we're gonna do is I preheated my oven to 450. You'll just get frozen tater tots, and you'll prepare them kind of like you would normal, except I'm using a muffin tin, and I'm gonna spray the heck out of it so they don't stick. And we're gonna put the tots kind of in here like this so that we have enough where they cook, and then we can smush them up like little cups. All right, so these babies are gonna go to 450 oven for about 10 minutes. While they're cooking, I have some rotisserie chicken that I got. You could make your own, and I got a pot. So I'm just gonna literally pour some stuff in a pot, and then we're gonna heat it and get it ready while those things are cooking, okay? So it's about 2 to 3 cups of chicken, depending on how chickeny that you're wanting it. I take off the skin from the rotisserie chicken just because it can get a little stringy. So just kind of beware of that. Okay. This is my wing dip. All right, so it's pretty easy. You do half cup, half cup, half cup. So I always use Frank's, that's my favorite. There is a recipe on the back. It does use ranch. That's not how we do here. We use blue cheese. This happens to be my Frank's. I have a lot of Frank's open all the time. So we're gonna do half cup of Frank's. Let's see what we got going on here. And you could adjust this accordingly based on your spice level and like who you're serving. So we're gonna put this in here. I'm gonna do blue cheese dressing. It's the chunky kind. I do not do light on this because this is supposed to taste delicious, and so I want the fat. So this is gonna be half cup. It says ranch on the Frank's recipe. I don't ever use ranch with my wings, I'm just saying. I'm just gonna need a spatula for that. I love the Marzetti's brand. You could use whatever brand you love. And again, if you find that you added accidentally too much hot sauce, this kind of offsets it. So you can pop that baby in there and adjust the blue cheese. Even after you make it, you could totally adjust the heat level down by adding more crumbly blue cheese or whatever like that. So it's good. And then just a block of cream cheese, which is gonna bring it kind of all together. I'm saving the crumbly blue. Normally you would add a crumbly blue up in here. I'm saving that for like right into the tater tot cup. So I'm gonna smush the tater tots into a little cup, and then I'm gonna put the blue cheese in the little thing, then I'm gonna mound the chicken wing dip on, then I'm gonna do some green onions, and it's gonna be delish. So that's gonna be where I'm gonna put that crumbly blue cheese. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this on medium-high heat, and I'm gonna give it a stir and just make it all blend together until it gets warm, and then you turn it off and set it aside till the tots are ready. Okay, these have been in for about 10 minutes. Got a little helper here who's gonna be very careful. We finished our wing dip. It's over here on standby. And so now we have to smush these tots, but the challenge is that you gotta be careful because this is 450 degrees. And so, Murphy, watch out, man. Come on, come right up in here. You're gonna walk right up in here. Come on. Okay, and then we're gonna take these tablespoons like this. You see that? And I just smushed it like this. Just like that. So you can take yours, you see? I'm just gonna smush it. Push the mat like middle in. Yep, and twist and turn it. Yeah, good. If you wanna hold your side, you grab this and you can hold the, yep, good job. For little kiddos who are old enough like Isaac, who is wearing a St. John Fisher training camp shirt. There he goes. This is a fun activity. You just have to be really careful because you don't want to burn yourself. Nope, 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 nope. So you're just going to keep this mitt and hold it in place, and then you can use your spoon to smush, okay? Because we don't want the mitt to touch the food. And you just go around it. It's kind of cathartic, honestly. And you see, you have to cook them a little bit so that they get melty. And then we want them to get crispy. Good job. You're doing a great job. I also had, but they appear to be a little too big, is these, like, the bottom of a glass jar would be good. And if they started to stick, what you could do is, whoa, see, like that? You could spray the back of your little spoonie. Make sure you don't touch the pan with your hand, okay?
Yep, I touched the top.
Okay.
It's a hot top.
Yep. The tots are hot, but not 450 degrees because they were frozen, so they are okay. You could make these into heart shapes for Valentine's, I'm just saying. Picking up the top there. Okay. There we go.
One more tot.
One more tot, he's got it. Watch your fingers, please, on the pan. Okay. Nice job. Thank you for your help.
Yep.
Oh, okay, so you can see that they're like this. So now what I want to do is they gotta cook for another. You're done. Thank you for your service, sir. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some crumbly blue cheese, just like this, and I'm gonna sprinkle some in each here thing like this. I love the bite size too. All right, so that's my blue cheese. And now the wing dip. Okay. So taste it before you start going crazy with it, right? So we gotta stir this around. You see how it's all mixed? Looks beautiful. That cream cheese is, I smashed it up as I went. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it with this spoon because it's not going back in. Just taste that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so you're just dollop it in. Don't overload it because then it'll be overflowing and not bite size. These are filled. Going back in the oven for about 10 minutes at 450 and we'll see how they look. If they are not done enough or not crispy enough, we'll just keep adding like 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes until they're the consistency that we want. Okay, so these came out of the oven. Ooh, they look delicious. So they're piping hot. I'm gonna let them sit for 1 to 2 minutes before I pop them out because they're probably gonna try and fall apart on me and we don't wanna do that. And so what you can do is use 2 spatulas, little mini baby spatulas. You can use a spoon, however you wanna choose to get it out there. They should pop out really easily just because we sprayed it. But how cute does this look? Oh my gosh. Okay, so you can see I put green onion on top there. But my secret to my buffalo chicken wing pasta topper is I actually cut up fine diced celery and put it on the top, and it actually makes it taste like chicken wings and whatnot. And so I'm gonna give this a try now, but again, be careful because these are gonna be molten lava hot. And I hope you enjoy. Let's give it a try. Ooh. Definitely the vibe I was going for, which is chicken wings and French fries mixed. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Happy Super Bowl. Thanks for watching.